Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a spicy tuna roll. For this, it's very simple. We're just going to be using a magro, in this case, big eye, and we've minced it up. And we're going to be using sesame seeds as well, and a little bit of sriracha. Now we're going to start making our spicy tuna roll. Start with a half sheet of nori on the cutting board, the rough side facing up. And we're going to dampen our hands before we take roughly 150 grams of sushi rice. We're going to lightly form this into a small ball. We're going to take the rice and spread it across the nori. We want to cover the surface of the nori entirely. And we want to be somewhat gentle with the rice. We don't want to mash the rice. We want to make sure to cover all the edges and that the rice is distributed evenly. And now at this point, what we're going to do is take our sesame seeds and sprinkle them over the rice. And we'll flip the nori over. And we're going to apply our line of hot sauce across the center. And we'll take our beautiful magro here. And we're going to evenly distribute it across the center of the roll here. Now at this point we're ready to wrap this spicy tuna roll up. Just going to take the side closest to us, put our thumbs under, and you can use our fingers to hold the ingredients as we wrap the nori over the top of the ingredients. We want to make sure to kind of tuck it in, make sure it's tight, and then we're just going to continue to wrap it up until the far side of the nori just ends up at the bottom there. Now we're ready to press and shape the roll with our makisu. Here we have a plastic covered makisu that we're going to use for pressing rolls that do not have fish on top. And we're going to press with the flat side facing down. And we want to apply pressure slightly downwards and in at the base of the roll. We'll make sure to apply even pressure across the whole roll. We can move the makisu over and form any loose rice on the ends of the roll. Once again, we don't want to press too hard, we don't want to mash the rice. And now we're ready to cut the spicy tuna. Now when cutting rolls with only rice on the outside and no plastic wrap, we recommend dampening the blade a little bit, help prevent the sushi rice from sticking to the knife and pulling away from the roll. We're going to cut this roll into 6 pieces. We'll start by cutting it directly in half. We'll take one half and overlap it with the other. And then we'll cut a third of this section off. And then with this remaining section, we'll cut it directly in half. Now we're ready to plate our spicy tuna roll. Take a plate and we'll lay a bamboo leaf down, a little extra decoration. And then we'll take the sections of the spicy tuna roll here and lay them on their side. And if the roll's not perfectly cut, if there's any tall sections, we can put them in the middle. So then the roll has a more visually balanced appearance. And then we'll spread the sections out like this, kind of at a diagonal, and plate them across the center of the plate. We want to make sure that we have even spacing. And here's our completed spicy tuna roll.